Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm a Bricks for Kids instructor, and this week we're going to be doing stop motion animation. So today the kids are going to be planning and writing out the storyline for their movies, and they're currently building their sets. This camp allows the kids to learn lessons such as creative writing, working together in a team, and how to film and edit a stop motion movie, all while also allowing them to express their creative side by building and experimenting with Lego.
Hey, my name's Liam, I'm 12 and I wanted to go to this camp because I've done robotics camps before, and I've worked with Lego in the past. I'm looking forward to learning how to actually use stop motion because I've had stop motion in the past. With this Lego project I'm doing, I think it'll be super good.
Hey, my name's ETHYN, I'm a Bricks for Kids leader. Today is our third day of the movie making camp, so it's our filming day. Now that the kids have finished building their sets, they're ready to start filming and editing their movies. Each group has been given a webcam to film with and a computer with frames installed, which is a software they use to edit their stop motion films.
Today we're pretty much just filming it. We feel done, but we have a couple more days, so we're going to keep on working on it, see what we can do to improve it.
So we're on day 5 at Bricks for Kids camp, and today the kids are working really hard to put their finishing touches and doing a lot of editing and voiceover to show their parents later on this afternoon, and we're really excited to see how it's going to turn out.
Just putting in the background, and then I'm going to see if it's chalky or not, and then fix that. But other than that, I'm pretty much done.
Well, yesterday we kind of just finished up filming.
Yesterday was usually just making the videos as long as they needed to be, and today was just doing the voicing and kind of editing.
Where are you guys at now?
We just finished.
We just finished.
Nice. How do you feel about it?
Good.
Yeah, it's good.
I was dreaming last night if we were never not going to finish today.
My name is Martina, and my name's Katie, and I'm turning 10 tomorrow.
You want to talk about some of the stuff that you guys learned in the camp?
I learned how to edit and use the computer and the tiny camera.
Would you guys recommend this camp for other kids?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's a lot of fun.
It's really fun.
Even if you're not a fan of Lego, and
I wasn't
a fan of Lego, but then I started liking it after we were doing the voiceovers, and once I got the hang of it of doing everything else. So yeah, it was a lot of fun.